20.
Oh. Did you know that you're the second youngest person here? Like before there was only 2 Nepali.
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah, they were.
Look. It's a parrot.
Oh.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Marcos, what is volunteering for you?
It's,
If you don't mind, you can answer in Spanish.
no, I answer in English, and it's like going to to our place that is not maybe your hometown could be, but going to other places like to help or doing whatever the people there ask, and it's like to improve something or to manage to do something like that is good for where you go. And of course in that place you meet people like a lot of friends, and I think you learn a lot of things like here.
For you, volunteering is more like a joy. It's supposed to be a joy, like something fun. No?
Is have a part of something fun, but have a part for like you come here for a purpose. You don't come to meet people, only to meet people, and it's like here you come and you are helping to construct a school that a lot of children in a lot of years will use. That's the part of helping and the purpose of helping the people here, and you also come to meet people and also to improve, I don't know, your skills or English or I don't know.
Do you have any advice to the people who will be here, the next people? Don't burn anything.
No, they should come like with open mind, not thinking I will do this. Like maybe a girl comes and thinks, yeah, I will go to teach every day, or but maybe she have to go and do gardening like Lynn is doing, or like come open-minded and don't be like shy. You have to be like how you are, and I don't know. I should come also prepared, because this is not a hotel. This is like maybe for people that have only been living in cities, they I don't know, they think, yeah, volunteering, yeah, it's quite good, quite funny, yeah, but they come here and they see all this and they say, oh, what's this? I don't know.
No Wi-Fi. No way, impossible.
When I asked you that here Wi-Fi, I was surprised. I was quite surprised.
So where are you going now?
I think I'm going to Kathmandu, because I had 3 weeks of holiday, so I came here too, and I will visit one in like from Nepal. I think I will go to Pokhara, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Improvising.
How's your leg? How's your leg?
My leg?
Your leg.
It's better than when I came. It's a bit painful when I step on it, but it's good. I think I can walk like with my luggage, so it's okay.
Did you saw that any other projects like this when you searching for it?
The thing is, I was not searching
Yeah,
for
Jane just
nothing.
gave you the
Yeah,
link.
they sent me the link, and I was when I thought about coming, I only said my parents like a joke, like, yeah, I'm going to Nepal, and I didn't thought that they were going to say, yeah, go. So
Okay.
here I am. No,
Hmm?
thank you. It's recording.
Huh? No. What's your plan after Nepal? Study. How long are you gonna study?
I have to study this semester and also work this semester, like part work in a company, and in summer all July working in the same company, and later I will go in August. I will go to Erasmus. So if I have Erasmus, so if I have free time in summer, I will go to a mountain. That's all I have now. Maybe I will have 1 week to do whatever I want. If not, I will not be free. Yeah, but normal life, like I don't have nothing special. No. Yeah, Erasmus. And
Chapa. Uy!